Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to access File Manager on your NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra 5G. So if you want to access File Manager to check up your files, that's very simple. Just open up your app drawer and find File Manager. And here you can see your pictures, audios, videos, packages, archives, documents. That's basically the fast search. And if you want more options, just click here on phone, and here you can check all the files on your phone. So basically all the way to software like Android. So that's it, that's how you access File Manager on your NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra 5G. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.